Guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a Kawasaki KLX250. Yeah, do not adjust your screen. These are coming quite rare these days, and this one is absolutely stunning, and we're going to make it a little bit better than it looks now. We're going to put some new boots on it, cheeky chain and sprockets, and also give it a fresh service. It's just been popped in someone's garage for the last few years, and we want to give it a little bit of TLC just to make it look as perfect as possible for the next owner. 2010 on a template, dead easy to read displays on these, and absolutely fantastic off-road and on-road. So if you do want to do a bit of green laning, then this is the bike for you. So clean, both sides. It's great to show you this, and the cameraman, I don't even think the camera's going to give it any justice. It is lovely. Really actually has just been probably just ridden around this guy's garage and then back in again. It's mega. Right, just give it a quick cheeky start up for you. Trusty old Japanese bikes, not been used in a while, and it starts straight up. Mega. Even have a chat to us once you do purchase, and we might see if we can sort you out with an exhaust as well. Anyway guys, what we'll do, we'll leave you to it. Enjoy yourselves, pop down at Jordan Bikes, give us a call, get it bought. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.